Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are taking a close objective look at the Liquidity Sweep BOS EA, currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. You can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, before we dig into the strategy and the numbers, let us just clarify platform compatibility right away. According to the developer's MQL5 Marketplace listing, this expert advisor is built and optimized exclusively for MetaTrader 5. It is not listed as an MT4 EA, so if you're looking to run this, you'll need an MT5 environment. Okay. Looking at the marketplace listing, the EA is listed by developer J and Anil Kumar Gilitwala at a direct purchase price of 75 US dollars with 5 activations included. There are also rental options starting at 30 US dollars for a single month up to 60 US dollars for a full year. Now let us break down the underlying trading logic described on the page. Okay, the developer states that the EA operates on pure price action principles without using standard technical indicators, martingale, or grid systems. The strategy relies on a two-step confirmation process using a configurable look-back period. First it scans for a liquidity sweep, and where price briefly breaks past recent highs or lows. Then secondly, it waits for the candle to close back inside that swept level, looking for a break of structure or BOS to confirm market direction before taking a trade. Then buy setups require a sweep below recent lows with a bullish BOS confirmation, while sell setups trigger after a sweep above recent highs, followed by a bearish BOS. The listing notes that the listing notes that the bot manages one single open position at a time per symbol and magic number. All right. So moving down to the inputs section, the developer provides several core customization features. Okay. For trade execution, you can select your preferred time frame, choose look back, candle length, and set trade modes such as buy only, sell only, or both. From a risk management standpoint, the EA uses percentage based stop loss and take profit inputs rather than fixed pip amounts. This means trade exits adjust relative to account balance dynamics or price volatility depending on setup. Additionally, there are protective filters included. We have a spread filter with a maximum allowed point threshold and a minimum free margin percentage filter designed to halt execution if account equity drops below your defined threshold. There is also an automatic lot validation feature and standard magic number assignment for trade tracking. Okay, so now let us quickly transition to the MetaTrader 5 strategy tester report. Okay, let us transition to our historical backtesting to see how this price action logic actually behaves over market history. So for this evaluation, we ran a historical test on XAUUSD, which is gold, on the 1 hour time frame spanning from January 1st, 2026 through July 22nd, 2026. And we got a 99% history quality data with an initial deposit of $10,000. Now, looking closely at the input configuration used during this test, the EA was set to a 20 period time frame inputs, a 10 candle look back parameter, a stop loss of 1.02%, and a take profit of 0.21%. Observing the trade log and historical chart execution, a couple of key structural traits stand out immediately. Okay, first, out of 87 total trades executed over this period, every single trade was a long. You can see all 87 were long trades. They were all buy trades. No short trades were executed, which indicates that during this test window, price action filter criteria exclusively matched bullish sweep configurations. Secondly, notice the mathematical structure between the targets. Okay, the average winning trade yielded roughly $548, while the average losing trade lost around $2,636. This reflects an asymmetrical risk to reward ratio driven by the tight 0.21% take profit versus the wider 1.02% stop loss. Now, because profits are taken quickly relative to the stop distance, the strategy relies heavily on a high win rate to maintain profitability. So I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself across different market cycles so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves when market regimes change. All right. So examining the completed historical performance metrics, the test generated a total net profit of $6,317.31 on the $10,000 balance over the roughly 7-month window. Now, due to the tight profit target, the win rate was high, sitting at 85.06% with 74 wins out of 87 trades, including a maximum run of 15 consecutive winning trades. However, because losses are significantly larger than individual wins, drawdown is a crucial metric to analyze here. The historical test recorded a maximal equity drawdown of 69.96%, which yielded $7,736.61 with an overall profit factor of 1.18 and a recovery factor of 0.82. The drawdown curve shows that when consecutive losses occurred, even just 2 in a row, the equity experienced notable pullbacks due to the wide stop distance relative to lot size. So this historical analysis highlights clear trade-offs. While the liquidity sweep and BOS logic achieved frequent small wins on gold, the asymmetrical stop loss structure introduces substantial risk exposure during adverse market moves. Now, as always, keep in mind that historical backtesting is strictly an analytical reference, not a guarantee of future live execution. Real-world performance will depend on broker execution speed, live spread fluctuations, slippage, lot sizing, and risk preferences. All right. So if you are interested in exploring this price action approach, I encourage you to download the demo version of this expert advisor from the MQL5 Marketplace page. All right. And then run your own optimizations across broader historical periods and thoroughly, forward test. Although the forward testing, you might need to actually rent the EA or purchase it, because the free demo can just be used on your strategy tester. Okay. But if you are really interested in this EA, to be advisable to forward test on the demo account first, before you consider any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Okay. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.